Hello, everybody. I'm going to actually see if this works. This is using my laptop in my car. So as you can see, I am at a local park, and one of the things that I like to do is to relax, is to drive around. So I'm going to see if this will work. Okay. Obviously, you want to obey all local traffic laws. So you want to look in your mirror and make sure nobody's coming as you pull out. And go. So this is a local state park that I am driving in right now. It has many different areas where you could pull off, take pictures, hike. It all depends on what a person's personal preference is. But for me, I just like to drive around and look at the scenery. Driving around for me is very peaceful, is very tranquil. It allows me to clear my head and puts me in a space where I have a lot to think about. Sometimes I'll listen to our textbooks in audio format as well while I'm driving to make maximum use of my time. This is during the daytime right now, so the park is a little bit less crowded, but it has some great areas for exploring, which I'm going to drive around and show you. Alright, so I wanted to show you guys an area, one of my favorite places, which is the trees. But I gotta get out of this parking lot first, so we're going to be very careful. And proceed. So as you can see, the speed limit is 25. They are very strict on enforcing that here at the state park. Because if you go speeding, a lot of people like to jog on these roads that I am on, which is another peaceful activity that if I was more athletic, maybe I would do. One thing I wanted to point out, in addition to obeying all the local driving regulations, is to pick a place or an area that you prefer driving in. I don't mind driving in snow, sleet, hail. I don't mind driving in any sort of weather. I don't mind driving highways. Other people might have a different preference when it comes to that. For me, I just like to get in my car and go. Being in my car clears my head, and it's just a great activity to do on a nice day. Right now it's nice and sunny, and driving through a park is very peaceful. Granted, I would do this on a main roadway too, but it's easier to do a video demonstration in a more controlled environment, factoring in safety, considering my laptop is right now on my dashboard. So this is just one small area of a huge park. So I appreciate you taking the time to enjoy these scenic views with me. And when it is your time to set out for a drive, I do hope you get that peace of mind that I always feel. And other than that, my technique is honestly very simple. And thank you for taking the time to watch. And it looks like we're going to be coming up on a dead end here. So that's where I'm going to end my video. And thank you all for your time, and have a great rest of your day. Night. However you feel necessary to spend your relaxation.